Hi guys, welcome back to a brand new vlog. Now in today's vlog, I'm gonna pretty much be doing a Sunday reset, but with it being Saturday. But I will probably upload this tomorrow or Monday. I'm trying to upload as frequent as possible now. I need to get back into TikTok as well. But there's been a lot of chaos that's been going on TikTok about Liam Payne and Katie and everything. Don't want to bring it over here, but that's why I've been taking a break offline. But I thought today, not going on social media that much, I can bring you guys along on my day to do a Sunday reset on a Saturday. But it is nearly 1:30 because my mum went to town and my dad's had a shift and he didn't get back until 3 o'clock, so he's been in bed and he's just woken up. So I'm going to crack on with my day now and we are going to get ready. And I have, so the to-do list today is tidy my room. That is the main priority. Tidy my room, send off a dot art coaster. So I sold this dot art coaster. I love it. It's so pretty. I do want to sell more of my butterfly ones. I just love them so much. But I'm gonna get ready, walk the dogs, do that, and then we're gonna tidy my room. So it's gonna be a productive afternoon. And in between that, I need to get something to eat. And I've got a mocha downstairs. So first thing, let's make my bed. Daddy, look! Hello! What are you doing? Daisy! So it's officially Sunday. So this Sunday reset is literally a Sunday reset now. And I've still not done my room because I walked the dogs yesterday. I've been walking them in the woods lately because we've got a woods near me. And that's really pretty for the scenery and like just hearing the water and everything. It's so peaceful. So I've been doing that lately. And I literally walked them half an hour each today in the woods, so that taken up most of my time. And I did a workout this morning, and when after I came back from doing the workout and walking the dogs, I then got some lunch. I made rice and some vegetables, and then my mum just came back from town, and I've got a latte. That'll be the thumbnail. And my mum also got me Jesus I'm I'm leaving that in. Hot chocolate. It's because I put the coaster on the wrong way around. But let's get to sorting my room. We're doing it this time. Okay, I'm trying on some jeans because I have lost a bit of weight. These used to be tight on me. These used to be tight on me. No, they are still a bit tight around my thighs, but I've always had big thighs. But look. Okay, now I'm going to try them a bit. The reason why I'm trying them on is because I've had jeans that I've bought. It's going to get taken up, but the person's busy and got a lot on their mind and just life in general, and I feel bad asking. So I'm just going to sell them if I don't think I could fit into them. Or if they're too long. I'm just going to sell them on Vinted. I'm going to do a bulk of Vinted stuff, but obviously I can't film that when I do that because it's on my phone. But this is pair one. I'm keeping these. I'm not trying these on, but these are some jeans I got the other day or a couple of days ago, and they are a size 14. I'm so happy about it. So let's try on the rest. Okay, I think it's pretty obvious that these do not fit. I think even if I got my friend to take them up, the pockets would still be like really low down. So I've taken a photo of the side, and then I'm going to take a photo of it just off me. That I'm kind of disappointed because I love the style of them. If they were a bit higher up, I love them, but hey ho. I can't just keep things. I need to start just buying things what fit me and not just hope for the best. But these are a size 16 as well. And I'm not just saying this. On the belly it fits fine. But I feel like the last time I wore these, they're a bit more baggier on the thighs. That might be the style. I haven't tried them on since I bought them. And that answers my question already. But just appreciate how cute they are. If they're not sold already, I'll link my Vinted down below. They're a size 16. Now, I don't know if you'll be able to see how baggy they are. So if I had them at the length I normally have my jeans, this is what they look like. The crotch is down there. And this is how much room there is. I am not showing off with doing this. I mean, like, oh, look how much weight I've lost. I've not technically lost that much weight on the scale, so this just shows you the scale does not matter. And then I can literally put one arm down. That is how much. Now, I don't think they were like that before. And they're not too bad. I would normally just keep them, but because they get crushed quite easily, I'm going to be putting these ones on Vinted. Once again, size 16, if you want them. Now, these ones are crushed. Don't mind that. But weirdly, this is the same side, technically meant to be the same style, but these ones fit. I can't, yes, they're stretched, but I can't put my arm down as much as I did with the other one. So I am going to be keeping these. I just need to make sure that they don't keep getting wrinkly and have lines in them. I don't know if I fancy wearing them, but I don't think they're going to last too much longer if I keep on losing weight, because I definitely do need a belt with them. But I am going to be keeping these black ones, because black jeans are a staple, literally, especially when I work 3 days a week, 2 to 3 days a week. So these are the next pair. These are like flares. I'm going to be keeping these because I love the print, and yes, it does show off my belly a bit, but I've only got one black pair, and I've got a blue pair, but they're too big, so I'll be selling them as well. And I really like them. I do really like them. So I'll be wearing them in the summer. This is the pair that I'm on about, that I'm going to be selling, because they're just way too long. They do fit on my belly and my hips and my thighs, but they're just way too long. Okay, this is the last pair, and I'm going to be chucking these as well. This just shows you, could be the same size, different shop, and fits differently, or the other way, it could be a size 14 and be a different style of jeans and it does not fit properly. Now they do kind of fit on here, but they just feel a bit more tight on my hips, and once again they're really long, so I'll be selling them again. But this pile on top of these are my selling things, so I'm going to do that now, and then we're going to get onto my desk. So I got these. I'm going to film a video on my TikTok setting these up, probably tomorrow. But I got these are so cute. Got this with some money from Christmas. I just love them so much. They are so cute. So I will be probably posting that on my shorts as well. And I've got some other stuff in there as well. But that is everything. I'm going to end this vlog off now. I hope you enjoyed it, and I will be filming another one soon. Bye.